Student Council is our form of student government. At West High, it's a club, and it's probably one of the largest ones in the school. And we work to make sure everyone's voice is represented and that people get to have the best high school experience that they can. Student Council is really involved. We put on the homecoming semi-formal for the last 2 years, which was something the student body really asked for and that we were able to provide for them. We also put on the homecoming spirit weeks and then the Christmas spirit weeks to inspire school spirit. And we also do really any activity someone comes to us with and that we get approved, we try to make sure it can happen. The benefits of joining Student Council, it's really rewarding. You get to have new experiences. There's a lot of people you can meet, new friends to make. It's just something that's you really get to inspire others, and it's really good opportunity. To me, Student Council means representing. You get to represent yourself, your school, and you get to make opportunities for other people where there wouldn't normally be opportunities. And that's something that I think is really important. When anyone comes to us with any requests, we really work to make sure that those experiences are possible for the students. For this Christmas, we planned 8 Spirit Week days, so where you can dress up and get into the spirit before Christmas break. So you can really go ask any of our people who are in charge of it. We've got Ms. Church, Mr. Wood, Mr. Taylor, and they all are in charge of Student Council, and they can help you get set up with joining Student Council.